Festivals, SSC exams, Festival of Snake Worshipping in Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh. Gurganomi, Dol Utsav, is majorly celebrated in Assam. Bhagoria festival associated with Holi, Sohrai, Karam and Jawa festivals are celebrated in Jharkhand. Paro Seku is most popular festivals in Bhutan. Tirupati Tirumala Brahmotsavam is organized for a duration of 9 days. Chetiyagiri Vihara festival is organized in Madhya Pradesh. As per the Hindu calendar, the birth anniversary of Lord Mahavir Swami is celebrated in Chaitra month. In Hindu mythology, during the Gudi Padwa festival, the Gudi signifies a symbol of victory or success. The meaning of Bathukama, a colorful floral festival celebrated in Telangana, is Mother Goddess come and alive. The Malayalam New Year celebrated in Kerala is called Vishu. Sao Joao festival is celebrated primarily by the Catholic Christians in Goa. Motsu festival of Nagaland is celebrated by the Out tribe. Karangaria Puja are traditional tribal festivals of Tripura. The Gangor festival celebrated in central and western India is associated with goddess Parvati. Losar, a New Year festival, is celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh. Ronka festival is celebrated by Karbi tribe. Onam festival of South India is associated with the folklore of King Mahabali. Chapchar Kut festival is predominantly celebrated in Mizoram. Chad Shukra festival is celebrated by the Jayanti tribe in Meghalaya. Ugadi is Telugu New Year celebrated in the month of March. Sohrai festival, a chief festival of Santhal tribe, is celebrated in Jharkhand. Sohrai is celebrated after Diwali on the new moon day in the honor of cattle. Sarhul festival is celebrated in honor of the tree in Jharkhand. Buddha Purnima is marked on a full moon day in the month of Vasak. Mi Dammi Phai, a festival which is celebrated in Assam. Chapchar Kut festival is associated with Mizoram. Losung festival is celebrated by Bhutia and Lepcha tribes. Losung festival is celebrated in Sikkim. Bastar Goncha festival brings out the best of the fusion of the rich culture of Chhattisgarh and Orissa. The Sakrat festival is celebrated with the Budigali or Kalasi dance in Orissa. Paryushana power is related to Jain communities. Atla Tadi festival is celebrated in the Andhra Pradesh. According to the Hindu calendar, Holi is celebrated on Falguna Purnima. Bastar Dashehra is celebrated in Chhattisgarh. The Chatrol festival is celebrated in Himachal Pradesh. Lohari festival celebrated mainly in Punjab. Onam is a state festival of Kerala. Lui Nagai Ni festival associated with Manipur. Tuzu Parab is harvest festival of Jharkhand. Nongkrem festival of Meghalaya is celebrated by Khasi tribe. Yoshang festival 5-day event is mainly associated with Manipur. Mysore Palace Karnataka is famous celebration place of Dashehra. Bihu is festival and dance of Assam. Modhera dance festival is performed in Gujarat. Polkut is a Thanksgiving festival of Mizoram. Pongal is a festival of Tamil Nadu. Jallikittu, a famous bull taming festival of Tamil Nadu. Onam harvest festival of Kerala, celebrated for 10 days. The festivals is celebrated on the Makar Sankranti day in Assam. Magh Bihu. Tamladu festival of Arunachal Pradesh. Fatapa Zatra festival celebrated in Goa. Bonalu is the famous festival of Andhra Pradesh. Mobeen is an agricultural festival celebrated by Galo tribe in Arunachal Pradesh. Goa is the permanent venue of International Film Festival since 2004. Tulip festival is famous in Srinagar. Gan Nagai is a 5-day festival celebrated in region of northeastern. Deepavali is celebrated in month of Hindu calendar Kartika. Chatrual and Phulecha, the festival of Himachal Pradesh. Rajini Gabra and Harni Gabra is the cultural festival of Assam. Boita Bandana festival is celebrated in Orissa. Bonalu festival is celebrated in Telangana. The Navam Perahera festival is celebrated in Sri Lanka. A Thanksgiving festival which is celebrated by the farmers in Maharashtra, and Chhattisgarh Pola festival. Mahashivratri is celebrated in the Hindu month of Falguna. Makar Sankranti is celebrated as Peda. Pandugar in Andhra Pradesh. Bestu Varas is celebrated as Gujarati New Year. Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha is worshipped together on the festival of Diwali. Hemi's festival is predominantly celebrated in Ladakh. Buddha Purnima is known as Saga. Dawa, in Sikkim. Nishagandhi Nritya Utsav is celebrated in Kerala. Hornbill Festival is also known as Festival of Festivals. Onam Festival celebrates the harvest season in August-September. Tiruvatthira Festival is mainly celebrated in Kerala. Sekreni, a 10-15 days festival celebrated in Nagaland. Karkidaka Vavu Bali, a Hindu ritual to appease ancestors, is celebrated in Kerala. Kharchi Puja is the worship of 14 gods, which is celebrated in the month of July. Sindhis observe a 40-day fast to show their devotion to Lord Julelal during Chaliha Sahib festival. Nuakhai, a harvest festival, celebrated by the people of western Odisha. Fool Day, a harvest festival, is primarily celebrated in Uttarakhand. The Hampi Utsav is celebrated every year in Karnataka, according to Hindu calendar Ganesh. Chaturthi begins on the 4th day of Bhadrapada month. Ganga Mahotsav, Buddha Mahotsav and Taj Mahotsav are celebrated in Uttar Pradesh. Mysuru Dasara is a 10-day festival celebrated in Karnataka. Togya, a 3 days monastery festival, is observed by the Monpa tribe of Arunachal Pradesh. Shigmo, a spring festival, is celebrated in Goa. Makar Sankranti is celebrated as Tirmuri by Sindhi community. National Youth Festival is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekanand. Dri, an agricultural festival of Arunachal Pradesh, is celebrated in the month of July. The Bamchu festival is primarily celebrated in Sikkim. Chakangan Nagai is also known as Festival of Winter. Shuming Leela festival is associated with Manipur. The Gochi festival is predominantly celebrated in Himachal Pradesh. Shvetambara sect of Jains celebrates Paryushan Parv for 8 days. Digambara sect of Jains celebrate Paryushan Parv for 10 days. The Medaram Jatara festival is a 4 days long festival celebrated by Koya. Lui Nagaini is celebrated as a seed sowing festival by the people of Manipur. Kati Bihu is celebrated in the month of October. Mopin is the cultural festival of Arunachal Pradesh. The harvest festival, Nabanna, is celebrated in West Bengal. Bathukama, a flower festival, is celebrated in Telangana. Chhat Puja, celebrated in Bihar, is also known as Dala Puja. Sharad Purnima is associated with the goddess Lakshmi. Songkran, a Buddhist festival, celebrated in the month of April. The Halda festival is primarily celebrated in Himachal Pradesh. The annual festival of Gangor is observed in the Hindu month of Chaitra. Jan festival, which is celebrated after every 12 years, Mahamastakabhisheka. Saga Dawa is primarily celebrated by Buddhist communities in Sikkim. 3 types of Bihu festivals are celebrated in Assam. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on Purnima Tithi in the Hindu month of Shravana, according to the Hindu calendar. Dashehra is celebrated in Ashwin month. Lunar New Year festival of people who follow the Sanamahism religion in the Indian state of Manipur as Sajibu Cherauba. Gangor festival is celebrated in honor of the goddess Parvati. Gangor festival is mostly celebrated by the womenfolk of Rajasthan. Karaga, oldest festival of Karnataka, is celebrated in honor of goddess Shakti. Bohag Bihu is also known as Rongoli Bihu. The people of Kashmir dedicates the Navratri festival to goddess Sharika. Vishu is a Hindu festival, celebrated primarily in Kerala. Another name of Makar Sankranti is Maghi. Mahavir Jayanti is celebrated in the month of March to April. Ram Navami is celebrated in the Hindu month of Chaitra. The 5-day Ganga festival is celebrated in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. The Karaga festival is observed in Karnataka for a duration of 11 days. Papeti is the festival of Parsis. In Nagaland, Mimkut festival is celebrated by Kukis tribe. Khordad Sal is the festival of Parsis. Thrissur Puram festival is held annually in Kerala at Vadikkunnathan temple. Diwali is celebrated in the month of Kartik. Majjuli festival is celebrated in Thay month of November. Bhai Dooj is celebrated on the 5th and last day of Diwali. The Palki festival is observed in Maharashtra. Ulambana festival is primarily celebrated by Buddhist. The Jnana Panchami is celebrated by Jains. Makar Sankranti is celebrated in the month of January. Isara Ponana is celebrated as a part of temple festivals in Kerala. The Lohri festival is celebrated in January. Prabhat Feri is associated with Gurpurab. Holi is celebrated every year in the month of Falgun. Bathukama festival is celebrated in Telangana. Baisakhi is a harvest festival. Kharchi Puja, which involves worshipping 14 deities over a 7-day period, is celebrated in Tripura. In Manipur, Sanghi festival is celebrated in the month of November. Shirui Lily festival is an annual festival of Manipur. Mihir is the presiding deity of the moon, which is worshipped during Navroz. Puthari rice harvest festival celebrated by Korwas. Bori Bhutyalo festival is celebrated by Nyashi tribe in Arunachal Pradesh. Ola Mohalla, started by Guru Gobind Singh, primarily celebrated in Punjab. Generally, Sharad Purnima falls on 15 days before Diwali. Latmar Holi is celebrated in Vrindavan and Mathura. The annual Ran Utsav is observed in Dhordo, Gujarat. Losung festival is the Sikkimese New Year of the Bhutia tribe. The festival of Cheti Chand is observed by community of Sindhis. Dol Chatra is a festival of Assam introduced by Sankaradeva. India's biggest vineyard music festival, Sula Fest, is held in Maharashtra. Arubatu Mover festival is annually celebrated in Tamil Nadu. The Ronka festival is celebrated by the Karbi tribe, Assam. The Dungiri festival is primarily celebrated in Himachal Pradesh. The Hornbill festival celebrated annually in Kohama, Nagaland. Bhanu Saptami is a festival dedicated to sun god. The Ugadi Pachadi dish contains 6 ingredients associated with the festival of South India, named Ugadi festival. Festival that is celebrated on the 3rd day of Krishna Paksh of Ashwajam in Andhra Pradesh is Atla Tad. Gom Habba is a famous festival of Karnataka. Mamallapuram dance festival is held every year in Tamil Nadu. Unakoti festival is celebrated in Tripura. The tribal harvest festival of Jharkhand, which falls on the last day of Posha month during winter, as known as Tuzu. Mando festival is celebrated in Goa. The festival that falls on the first day of the Malayali month of Medam, usually on either April 14th or 15th, is Vishu. The Mukteshwar dance festival is held from 14th to the 16th of January. Ties of protection term is associated with Raksha Bandhan. Nag Panchami is celebrated in Shravan month. Bhangyanga festival takes place annually at Mumbai, Maharashtra. Hemis festival is celebrated in Ladakh. Hornbill festival was started by the government of Nagaland in 2000. Diwali falls in the month of Kartik. Chithirai festival is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. The birth of Lord Krishna is celebrated as Janmashtami. Tea festival is celebrated every year in Jorhat, Assam. Lokrang, a 5-day festival organized every year on the 26th of January in Madhya Pradesh. Losar festival, celebrated every year in Ladakh, traces its origin to Tibetan New Year. Kambala festival is organized by farming communities in Karnataka. 6 celebrate Bandi Chhor Divas, which coincides with Diwali. The meaning of Tamil festival, Pongal, is to boil. Majuli festival is celebrated in Assam. Bastar Dashehra, a 10-day festival, is associated with Chhattisgarh. Doonri festival of Himachal Pradesh is celebrated by Hindu community. Tamladu festival in Arunachal Pradesh is celebrated by Mishmi tribe. Bihu festival of Assam is celebrated 3 times a year. Guruvayur Ekadashi is the cultural festival of Kerala. Paro Chechu is a famous festival of Bhutan. In Telangana, Muharram is known as Piyala Panduga. Makaravilakku festival is celebrated in Kerala. Festival Miladan Nabi is also known as Barawafat. Hathri celebrated during November. December is the harvest festival of Karnataka. Tamu Lachar festival celebrated as the New Year by the Gurung community in Sikkim. Mopin, agricultural festival of Arunachal Pradesh, is celebrated by Galo tribe. Nongkrem is a harvest festival of Meghalaya. Baisakhi festival is majorly celebrated in Punjab and Haryana. Navroz festival is celebrated as Thay. New Year of Parsi community. Rohini festival of sowing seeds in the field is celebrated in Jharkhand. Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Devi Subhadra is associated with Odishas. Ratha Yatra festival, Chhat Puja, celebrated for 4 days, is dedicated to god Surya. Raja Parba festival of Orissa is held for 3 days in the month of June. Chapchar Kut is a famous festival of Mizoram. Dashehra festival is also known as Vijayadashami. Yoshang festival of Manipur is celebrated for 5 days. Tuzu, a harvest festival in Jharkhand, is celebrated in winter on the final day of the Posh month. Ladina is the Thanksgiving festival, mainly celebrated in Goa. Guru Purab is celebrated as a birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev. Kharchi Puja is a traditional ritual in Tripura. Pongal, 4-day harvest festival, is generally celebrated in South India. The Hindu festival Bonalu, centered on goddess Mahakali, is celebrated in Telangana. The 6-day Khajuraho dance festival is celebrated in Madhya Pradesh. The festival which marks the triumph of goddess Durga over the demon king Mahishasura is Navratri Durga Puja. Kicheri is a harvest festival and involves ritual bathing, celebrated majorly in Uttar Pradesh. Kharchi Puja of Tripura is a Hindu festival that worships 14 Hindu gods. The festival of Holika Dahan marks the victory of good over evil. Diwali festival is the day when Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya after 14 years. Kite flying symbolizes the celebration of Uttarayan festival in Gujarat. Vesak is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Gautam Buddha. Gangaur festival of Rajasthan is associated with god and goddess. Shiva and Parvati. The Galdan Namchot festivals marks the birthday of a Buddhist saint, Jasomkhapa. The monsoon mud festival of Goa, Chikal Kelo. The Ganga Dashehra is celebrated on the 10th day of Shukla Paksha in the month of Jyeshtha. Rath Jatra festival, Chariots of Lord Jagannatha, is celebrated in Puri, Orissa. The festival celebrated to commemorate the formation of the Khalsa Panth as Baisakhi. Onam, Kerala's festival is celebrated in the month of August-September. Hampi festival is known as Vijaya Utsav. The Sere Gul Faroshan festival held in Delhi. Puthindu is celebrated as New Year in Tamil Nadu. Vangala festival is celebrated by Garo tribe. Kagya dance, which is celebrated annually in Sikkim, falls in December. A Hindu festival celebrated by the Tamil community is Thaipusam. The birthday of Prophet Muhammad is celebrated by the name of Mawlid al-Nabi. The Pattadakal dance festival is organized by Karnataka's government. Gokulashtami is celebrated in the month of Bhadrapada. Durga Puja has been recognized as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity by UNESCO in 2021. Guru Purnima, a festival celebrated by Hindus, Jains and Buddhists in the month of Ashadha. Tiruvattiral is a cultural festival of Kerala. Sekreni festival is celebrated by Angami tribe, Nagaland. Ganapatula Panduga is celebrated in Telangana. Mahavir Jayanti is a major festival of Jains. Fagdi, a Goan folk dance, is performed. During the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi, the cultural festival of Shadsak, Maiseng is associated with Meghalaya. Larukai festival is celebrated by Gonds, Madhya Pradesh tribe. The custom of decorating eggs is practiced during Easter festival. Samaka Saraka Jatara is celebrated in Telangana. Goncha festival is celebrated in Chhattisgarh. Nishagandhi festival is celebrated in Kerala. Mahavir Jayanti is celebrated in the month of April. The Chera Panhara ritual is associated with Jagannath Puri Rath Yatra. The International Sand Art Festival is held in Odisha. Baishagu festival is associated with Assam. The festival of Salhesh is celebrated in Bihar. Kumarakam boat race take place on Vembanad Lake during Onam festival. Float festival is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. At Meenakshi Amman Temple, the Motsu festival is celebrated by the Ao tribes of Nagaland. Gochi festival celebrated in Himachal Pradesh. Maru Mahotsav, also known as Desert festival, is celebrated in Jaisalmer. Festival Hathi Mahotsav is celebrated every year in Jaipur, Rajasthan. The 5-day Deccan festival is celebrated. In Andhra Pradesh, Surya Classical Dance Festival is held in Thiruvananthapuram. Modhera Dance Festival is an annual cultural phenomenon in Mehsana, Gujarat. The Ellora Ajanta Dance Festival held in January. Sun Temple, famous for Konark Dance Festival, is also known as Black Pagoda. Nicobar Islands tribes honor Thay deceased family head during the Osweri feast. Kali Puja is held on a new moon day. Sankan is a festival of the Buddhists. Fatapa Zatra is celebrated in Goa. Rotala Panduga, an annual 3-day festival, is held at Bara Shahid Dargah, Nellore. Fuldi festival is celebrated in Uttarakhand, the Kodawa community of Coorg. Worships weapons during the Kalpod festival. Puttari is the harvest festival of the Kodawa community of Coorg. The Paryushana festival is celebrated. For 8 days by Shwetambar community of Jains. The Paryushana festival is celebrated. For 10 days is Disalakshan Pava by Digambar community of Jains. Cherauba is celebrated as the New Year of Manipur. Dhanuyatra of Odisha's Barga district is dedicated to Lord Krishna. Kaveri Sankramana festival is celebrated in Karnataka. Sundareshwara festival is celebrated in Kerala. Drukpa Sekhi, a festival celebrated in Sikkim, is associated with Lord Buddha. Valval Ori Vizha, festival of Tamil Nadu, is celebrated in August. Madhe festival is celebrated in Bastar region, Chhattisgarh. Tiyan is a monsoon festival of Punjab. Festival of Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh, which is celebrated by farmers by worship of the Bullocks Polar Festival. Saga Dawa, month of merits, festival is celebrated in May and June. Athankal feast and Vetukad festival are church festivals of Kerala. Baliyatra, meaning voyage to Bali, is a festival celebrated in Cuttack, Odisha. The famous Gaura Gauri Puja is celebrated in Chhattisgarh. Lai Harauba festival is celebrated by the Meitei community in Manipur. Note, Lai Harauba means merry. Making of the gods, railway exams. The Chalo Loku festival is celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh. During the festival of Pongal, people worship the sun. Wangala festival of Meghalaya is celebrated by Garos tribe. Sindhur Darshan festival is celebrated in Ladakh. Saga Dawa festival is celebrated in Sikkim. Nishagandhi dance festival is celebrated in Kerala. A major harvest festival celebrated in the South India is Onam. The festival Makar Sankranti is celebrated in month of January. Natyanjali Utsav is celebrated in Tamil Nadu on the occasion of Mahashivratri, an annual 10-day festival held between February and March at Shilpgram as Taj Mahotsav. Hornbill festival revives and preserves the rich culture of Nagaland. The festival held in Punjab and widely recognized as the Rural Olympics. Kila Raipur Sports Festival. Raja Parba festival is associated with Orissa. Bihu festivals is associated with Assam. Marushri is a desert pageant held at Jaisalmer Desert Festival. The 5-day religious festival of Shad Namkrem is celebrated in Meghalaya. The Nabakalibara festival is observed at the Jagannath Temple, Orissa. Penkuni Festival. The 5-day religious festival of Shad Namkrem is celebrated in Meghalaya. The Nabakalibara festival is observed at the Jagannath Temple, Orissa. Penkuni festival is celebrated in Kerala. 7-day-long festival that marks the beginning of the Assamese New Year, Bohag Bihu. A Muslim festival that marks Hajj. Culmination at Mina, Saudi Arabia near Makkah. Eid al-Adha. Shigmotsav is a spring festival of Goa. Ramazan is 9th month of Islamic calendar. Vesak, celebrated in lunar month of Vaishakha, is the festival of Buddhism. The Jewish festival of lights is called Hanukkah. Bali Yatra festivals commemorates. The rich maritime history of Orissa. Thanksgiving is celebrated as a ritual in Goa, Consachim festival or harvest festival. Gurpurab is celebrated to commemorate. The birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev. The festival celebrated in West Bengal, Assam and other states in the month of March during the time of Holi Do Jatra. The Dri festival is celebrated by the Apatani tribe in Arunachal Pradesh. The Baisakhi festival in India marks the birth of Khalsa Panchanda, Guru Gobind Singh 10th Sikh Guru. A festival in Varanasi, 15 days after Diwali, on the ghats of river Ganga is known as Dev Deepavali. Sarhul is a tribal festival celebrated in Jharkhand. Nuakhai is an agricultural festival observed by people of Orissa. Busu Jibar is a festival celebrated by Dimasa Kachari tribe in Nagaland. The cultural festival, Thrissur Puram, is celebrated in Kerala. Lohari, Bhogali Bihu and Pongala, celebrated mainly in January to February. Onam is celebrated in the month of September. Festivals Pongal, Baisakhi, and Lohari are related to agriculture. Beating the retreat ceremony officially denotes the end of Republic Day. The most popular festival of Adi tribe of Arunachal Pradesh as Solong. Buddha Purnima falls on the full moon, day of Vaishakha. The annual boat race festival is held in Kerala. Celebration of Rama's triumph over ten-headed demon king Ravana, Dashehra. The Lokrang Utsav is celebrated in Madhya Pradesh. Rama Navami comes in the month of April. The festival known as Magh Bihu in Assam is also called Makar Sankranti, Easter festival for the Christians marks the resurrection from the dead of Jesus Christ. Piyala Panduga is also known as Muharram, Rongali Bihu, a spring dramatic cultural festival of Assam. The Ram Navami festival is celebrated on the 9th day of Chaitra Navratri. Nowruz is popularly known as the New Year of Parsi. Polkuth festival celebrated in Mizoram. Puli Kale Tiger dance event as May, attraction of the Onam festival. Labag Dwechan in Sikkim is observed to mark the descent of Lord Buddha. The Hemis Gompe festival Ladakh celebrates the birth anniversary of Guru Padmasambhava. The name of Kashmiri Hindu New Year, Navre. Ugadi is celebrated as Telugu New Year. Malayali New Year is named as Vishu. Pana Sankranti is celebrated as Odia New Year, the spring festival celebrated by the Konyak tribe of Nagaland Oliang Monu. The Losar festival Arunachal Pradesh is celebrated by the tribe of Monpa. Hussauri or Hachari performance is associated with Assam. Gudi Padwa New Year is celebrated in Maharashtra. Poila Boisak New Year is celebrated in West Bengal. Anthurium, named after a famous flower, is a major festival of Mizoram. Gudi Padwa is celebrated on the first day of the month Chaitra. Ali Ai Legang, Falgustsav, and Bihu festivals are celebrated in the river island, Majuli. Pumpuhar beach in Tamil Nadu is famous for the Chitra Ponemi festival. The Gyana Panchami is celebrated by the Jains on the 5th day of Kartika. Bathukamal is a colorful and vibrant festival of Telangana, the 6th of the 18 books in Thay. Mahabharat that includes studied Bhagavad Gita as Bhishma Pava. UNESCO's representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity included Durga Puja in its list during Sixteenth session. The Tamil New Year is also known as Varusha Pirappu Puthendu. The famous elephant festival is celebrated on the day of Holi in city. Jaipur. Tapa festival is celebrated in Dadra and Nagar Haveli. The Red Panda Winter Carnival is celebrated in Sikkim. A traditional bull taming sport popular. Tamil Nadu Jallikettu. Mamallapuram Utsav is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Ugadi is a festival celebrated in Andhra Pradesh. Sangi festival is an annual cultural Festival organized by Manipur. The Kambala festival of Karnataka is associated with buffalo race. Police exams. According to Drik Panchang, the festival celebrated on Chaturdashi of Krishna Paksha of Magh month Mahashivratri. Taj Mahotsav Cultural Festival is organized by Uttar Pradesh Tourism Department. Kajli Teej is the cultural festival of Rajasthan. The Dundri festival is celebrated in honor of Hidimba Devi in Himachal Pradesh. Paro Shechu is celebrated in Bhutan. Ahiya Winter Festival is organized to promote tourism in Meghalaya. The festival of Pushkaralu is celebrated to promote the cultural heritage of Andhra Pradesh. Navala, a Thanksgiving festival dedicated to Lord Shiva, is majorly celebrated in Kangra, Himachal Pradesh. Lent is a religious observance. Celebrated by Christians. Holi in West Bengal and Orissa is celebrated as Dola Purnima. The festival of Ram Navami is celebrated on 9th day of Chaitra month. The Kali Puja in West Bengal is celebrated on Kartika Amavasya. Jashn-e-Mehragan festival is celebrated by Parsi community. The cultural festival of Ratha Saptami is mainly celebrated in Andhra Pradesh. Narari Purnima is celebrated on the last day of Shravan. Festival celebrated by the Jain community in Pavapuri, Bihar. Commemorating the attainment of Nirvana by Lord Mahavira, Dev Deepavali. The Kachin Mano festival is associated with Myanmar. Kolaya festival is celebrated in Rajasthan. Mera Hachongba, an annual festival of Manipur. As per the Hindu lunar calendar, Guru Nanak Jayanti is celebrated on Kartika Purnima. Biswa and Phulecha, the cultural festivals of Himachal Pradesh. Anthurium festival is celebrated to promote horticulture in Mizoram. The festival of Sonam Lochar in Sikkim. Is celebrated by the Tamil community. The Banganga festival in Mumbai is a musical tribute to Lord Rama. Kalidasa festival is organized in Nagpur, Maharashtra. Tamladu, a festival of the Digaru Mishmis tribe, is celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh. The Halda festival of Himachal Pradesh is primarily celebrated by Buddhist community, Hanukkah, Rosh Hashanah, Yom Kippur, Sukkot, Purim, Pesach, Shavuot are some mere festivals of Jewish. Medaram Jatara is the largest tribal. Festival of India celebrated in Magha, February on the full moon day by the Koya community of Telangana. Chopakhya festival is celebrated in according to the Hindu calendar, Raksha. Bandhan falls on Shravana Purnima Shukla. The festival initiated by Shivaji to channelize the patriotic spirit of Hindus was Ganesh Chaturthi. The traditional dance of Goa performed. During the Shigmo festival is Morulam. The Kundang Lem festival is celebrated in Nagaland. Rongali Bihu is a festival of Assam, is celebrated in the month of April. Tiruvattiral is a cultural festival of Kerala. Kharchi Puja is a festival associated with Tripura. Bhakta Parab festivals is observed by the tribal people of Jharkhand. Sekreni festival is celebrated in the month of February by the Angami tribe of Nagaland. Jawa is the cultural festival of Jharkhand. Figdi is a Goan folk dance performed. During Ganesh Chaturthi, Thaipusam festival is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Mahavir Jayanti is a major festival of Jains. Sarhul festival is celebrated in Jharkhand. Gangaur festival is celebrated in Rajasthan. Bhagoria festival is celebrated in Madhya Pradesh. Shadsak Maiseng is the cultural. Festival of Meghalaya. The Dev Deepavali is the festival of Kartik Purnima celebrated in Varanasi. Ran Utsav is a cultural festival of Gujarat. Kakottikali dance is performed to celebrate Onam festival. The Chhat Puja of Bihar is dedicated to Surya Dev. The Vangala festival is celebrated by Garo tribe. Onam is a harvest festival of Kerala. Ekamra Utsav is a festival of Odisha. Makar Sankranti is a festival dedicated to sun. Khajuraho dance festival is celebrated. In Madhya Pradesh, the festival of Holi is celebrated in the Hindu month of Falguna. Bonalu, in which goddess Mahakali is worshipped, is celebrated in Telangana. The god worshipped on the occasion of Malayalam New Year is Lord Vishnu. Gangaur festival is a celebration to welcome spring season. During the Gangaur festival, the deity worshipped as goddess Gauri. Hornbill festival is an annual festival, celebrated from 1 to the 10th of December in Nagaland. Yoshang is the spring festival is. Celebrated in Manipur, the religious festival of Ganesh Chaturthi is especially associated with Maharashtra. Polo festival is celebrated by the farmers. Through the worship of bullocks. Snake boat race is a unique feature of Onam. The festival celebrated at the confluence of Mahi and Som rivers is. Baneshwar festival, Shahidi Sabha, is a festival celebrated in Punjab. Diwali festival is celebrated during the Amavasya of Kartik month. Lohari, a harvest festival of Punjab is. Amavasya of Kartik month, Lohari, a harvest festival of Punjab, is celebrated in the month of January. Keel Polud is a festival celebrated by. Kodava tribes Karnataka. The festival of Dashehra is also known as Vijayadashami. The Buddhist festival, Songkran, is celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh. The Mahamagham festival is celebrated once in every 12 years in Tamil Nadu. Bali Jatra is annual events held at Cuttack, Odisha. Milad an Nabi is also known as. Eid-e-Milad or Maulid. The International Kite Festival in Gujarat is held in the month of January. Karam is an agricultural festival, celebrated by tribals in. Madhya Pradesh, Shirui Lily Festival is celebrated in Manipur. Chapchar Kut is a festival of Mizoram. The Shane festival is originated from Nepal. The tribal festival called Madhe, traditionally associated with Chhattisgarh. The tribal festival, Polkut, is traditionally associated with Mizoram. The tribal festival, Yemshe, is traditionally associated with Nagaland. Garya Puja is a major festival of Tripura, a Tamil festival wherein temple idols are taken in a procession to a water body for a ceremonial bath, Masi Magam. Tuluni is a festival of Nagaland. Vishu is a cultural festival of Kerala. Wangala is the popular harvest festival of Meghalaya. The Modhera dance festival, held every year during the third week of January, belongs to Gujarat. The Siang River Festival is celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh. Pang Lebsol is primarily celebrated in Sikkim, the most important festival of the Torah. Tribe of the Nilgiris is Modhweta. The agro-based religious Nuakhai festival is celebrated in Orissa. Harela, the harvesting festival, is celebrated in Uttarakhand. Ashadi Beej Kuchi New Year is a distinguished cultural festival is celebration of rain. Rongkar is an annual festivals of Assam. Krishna Janmashtami festivals is celebrated in the month of Bhadrapada. The Vesak Poya festival, celebrated on the full moon day in May, is related to Buddhism religion. Baneshwar Fair is an annual tribal fair. Held in Dungarpur, Rajasthan. The tribal festival called Divaso is traditionally associated with Gujarat. The tribal festival as Hal Panhya. Traditionally associated with Jharkhand, Uruka is a traditional festival of Assam. Bahubali Mahamastikabhishek Mahotsav is organized once every 12. Years in Shravana Belagola. Mandu festival is a famous festival of Madhya Pradesh. Sonam Lochar festivals is celebrated in Sikkim. Onam is celebrated in the Malayalam. Month of Chingam, Bathukama and Bonalu are festivals of Telangana. Sakeva festival is celebrated by the Kirat Kambu Rai community of Sikkim. Sekreni festival is celebrated in the month of February by Angami tribe of Nagaland. Jamshedi Navroz is a festival of Zoroastrian origin celebrated by Parsis. Jamshedji Norras festival is celebrated every year on the day of spring equinox in March. Hemi Seku festival commemorates the birth anniversary of Guru Padmasambhava, Ali Aye Ligang, a spring festival, is associated with Assam. The festival of ancestor worship, Mi Dam Mi Fi, is celebrated in Assam. Madhe festival is celebrated in Chhattisgarh. Mysore Peta is traditional attire worn on the head. Kalpod is an indigenous harvest festival of Karnataka. The festival, Sokam Sami, is celebrated in Nagaland. Eid ul-Fitr is celebrated on the first day of Shawwal, which falls in 8 months of Islamic calendar. The Thimithi festival in Tamil Nadu is celebrated in the honor of Draupadi. Hunter's moon in the west is called as Kartik Purnima. Navroz is another name for Thay. Parsi New Year, Thaipusam festival is celebrated by Tamil communities. Defense exams, Foolage is a colorful festival celebrated in Himachal Pradesh. Bharat Parv was started by the Ministry of Tourism in 2016. Naropa, Kumbh of Himalayas is an annual festival of Ladakh. State PCS exams. Thadinyu festival is celebrated in Myanmar. Nabakalibara festival is associated with Jagannath Temple. The Fool D festival is celebrated in Uttarakhand. Fairs, SSC exams, Champakulam boat race is famous in Kerala. Somnath fair is popular in Gujarat. Sinhastha fair is held in Ujjain on the bank of Kashipra river. Ambubachi fair is held every year in Ambubachi fair is held every year in Kamakhya temple, Assam. Sonpur cattle fair, Bihar is associated with Hariharnath temple. Shrinarayan Fair is held in Chhattisgarh. Matua Dharma Mahamela is related to West Bengal. Nauchandi Fair happens once a year in Uttar Pradesh. Sonpur Cattle Fair is held in Bihar. Ambubachi Mela marks the menstruation period of the goddess Kamakhya. Ganga Sagar Mela is held every year in West Bengal. Kotappakonda Fair of Andhra Pradesh is Kotappakonda Fair of Andhra Pradesh is organized on the eve of the festival, Mahashivaratri. Ambubachi Mela dedicated to goddess Kamakhya. Makar Sankranti is celebrated by Thay. Name of Magha Saji in Himachal Pradesh. Ambubachi Mela is held in Guwahati, Assam. A ritual bath named Shahi Snan is a major event of Kumbh Mela. Ganga Sagar Mela is conducted at Hooghly River in West Bengal. The Champaran Mela is celebrated every year in Raipur. The fair held at the shrine of Mastan. The fair held at the shrine of Mastan, Shah Wali's Dhamon Urs. The Nanda Devi Fair is organized in the Kumaon region in September. The cattle fair celebrated in Himachal. Pradesh's Nalwari Fair, the Madhavpur Mela of Gujarat, celebrated in the memory of Krishna or Rukmini. Railway exams, the longest moustache competition is held at Pushkar Fair, fair held in Haridwar, Prayagraj, Nashik, and Ujjain is Kumbh Mela. Ganga Sagar Mela is held every year in West Bengal. Surajkund Mela, also known as Thay. International Crafts Fair is held in Haryana. John B. Mela, where the barter system is still used, is held in Assam. Kenjuli Fair is celebrated in the world. Kenjuli Fair is celebrated in West Bengal. The world's largest camel fairs in India, held in Pushkar. Police exams. Nalwari Fair is organized in Himachal Pradesh. Danapatula Panduga is celebrated in Telangana. Jallikittu is a bull taming festival held, mainly in Tamil Nadu. Surajkund Mela is organized in Thay. Month of February in Faridabad, Haryana. The fair of Pir Budhan is held every year in Madhya Pradesh. The famous Ambubachi Mela is organized every year in Guwahati. Sonpur Cattle Fair is held on Kartik Purnima in Bihar, at Haridwar, Allahabad, Nashik and Ujjain, which fair is held Kumbh Mela. Pushkar Camel Fair is held at Rajasthan. Purna Kumbh Mela is held every 12 years. Defense exams. Chitra Vichitra is an annual tribal fair held in the Sabarkantha, Gujarat. The Kapil Muni Fair takes place annually on Kartik Purnima, November in Bikaner, Rajasthan. The Shamaji Fair is held in Gujarat. Sri Jagannathji Mela is held at Alwar, Rajasthan. The Madhavpur Fair is held at Porbandar, Gujarat. The world's largest camel fair is held in Pushkar, Rajasthan. State PCS exams. The Gotma Fair is held annually in Chhindwara, Madhya Pradesh. In Kartik month, the Chandrabhaga Fair is held annually at Jalrapatan, Rajasthan.